The German tuner Delta 4X4 has a new beast conversion for the Volkswagen Amarok that converts the pickup into a more rugged off-roader. The setup pumps up the truck's ride height by an impressive 9.843 inches, 250 mm in total, by using a variety of parts. A €2,000 $2,237 at current exchange rates body lift kit alone adds 3.937 inches or 100 mm of extra height for dealing with the bumps. Delta 4X4's €1,800 or $2,013 suspension distance kit includes revised springs with Bilstein shocks that provide another 1.575-inch boost, a set of 20-inch classic B-phone dial-style wheels, a set of 35-inch Cooper tires on the show truck, and the company claims a 3.937-inch increase in ride height. Delta 4X4 sells them to customers with 33-inch Yokohama rubber for €4,500 or $5,032. To cover the much wider wheel and tire combo properly, a set of broader fenders are €2,200 or $2,460. A €1,100 or $1,230 modified front bumper with a brush bar and LED lamps matches the wider stance from the more muscular fender flares. Delta 4X4's show truck wears an eye-catching combo of a matte black body with jag red details at both ends. The company also adds an additional LED light bar across the top of the windshield. A style bar at the back provides room for mounting even more LEDs above the roof. With so much illumination, getting lost in the wilderness should be a bit more difficult.